Nagigets ko na why he always needs to leave early, bakit minsan late siya dumadating, nabuo yung understanding na ganun. So, parang from there, nag-start na yung friendship namin na in a mature way na agad. Si David kasi, pwede mo siyang kausapin about the most random things to the most personal things about myself. So I really appreciate that about you.
Sobrang na-admire ko how he loves a person. Talagang ano siya, all out siya magmahal sa babaeng gusto niya talaga. So I really admire that about him, and kita ko rin naman yung sincerity niya as a person and how he cares for me. So, ang ganda ng upbringing niya kasi he's really a good example.
Ibang-iba malagi.
Yes,
Oo, kaya...
Pa-sexy ng pa-sexy.
Pa-sexy ng pa-sexy.
Paganda ng patangkat ng patangkat.
Yes. Ito yung sasali ba natin yung tangkad? Isa sa pa-sexy ng pa-sexy.
May I ask, what is your name?
Hiroshi.
Hiroshi? Ikaw na? Ikaw na ba? Dahil ipapakasal ka sa aking kapatid na si Ate Teresita.
Ngunit nandun na.
Ano?
Want to be. Actually,
Ibig sabihin nun?
I won't stop until I decide. choosing me alongside with my love team for Fertilica.
We love it.
And ayun, of course, thank you rin sa GMA. Dahil sa pagkuha nila sa akin, ngayon, ambassador na ako ng Save the Children Philippines.
Crush ka ba ng crush?
Sana.
Hindi mo sure. Sana. Tayo na lang kayo.
Sige.
Even if it don't happen fast, there's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. I believe in what I feel.
Tama nga ang sabi nila na good things happen when you least expect it. And for me, that's David.
Wow.
Like, gulat ka, di ba?
You are very patient and understanding, so really thank you. And yeah, hopefully magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming trabaho together.
Hopefully, we get the movie and the teleserye this year. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. I just really care about her a lot.
Ay, wow naman. I care about him also, syempre. I care about him a lot. Yan.
Paano nyo hinahandle yung lahat inaasar kayo, tas lahat gusto kayo magkatuluyan?
Yes, it's a bit pressuring, pero di ko naman siya iniisip as negative. Siguro for me, if it happens, it happens.
Ito ang mga qualities na gusto ko. Isa-isahin natin. Go!
Siyempre, physically, maganda. Siguro, chinita na, hindi masyadong chinita.
Ayo. Pinahirapan mo naman sila.
Yung mukhang
chinitang hindi chinita.
Very specific eh. Medyo hilaw.
May pagkamistisang chinita, gano'n.
Ganun type ko. Maputi.
Mahilig siya sa maputi. Chinitang hindi may pagka-chinitang mistisa.
Yeah.
Kayo na bahala mag-isip kung ano yon. Okay, ano pa yung isa? When you look at a girl, anong una mong napapansin?
Eyes?
I'm getting close to never lie. I stay in my hide. Let the world follow behind. I know it's all how I make my mind. I'm the one who gets to.
Can you tell Barbie anything?
Medyo, pero hindi naman lahat.
Naman, oo.
Of course, may limitations.
Alright. Kasi, I've read a lot of stories na napaka-supportive din ni Barbie sa'yo.
Yeah, she understands me a lot. We were shooting Pulang Araw, and we had a scene together. And that was the day na...
Kayo ni Barbie?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that was the day na I accepted the role. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, paano ako kaya sasabihin kay Barbie na, uy, meron nga pala akong movie tapos hindi ka kasama. Di ba? So sinabi ko sa kanya. She was like, oh, wow. wow, it's nice, so proud of you, ganon. Like, she's super supportive when it comes to these things.
There's a friendship that allows you to actually talk about these things.
Yeah, it's all about communication.
Correct.
Diba?
Kissing, cuddling. Camera.
Kissing.
Yakap, halik.
Yakap.
Bini-baby mo, bini-baby ka.
Bini-baby ako.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolates.
Best happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Magka-girlfriend this year?
Depende.
Oo, hindi depende. Manligaw kay Barbie?
Depende.
Mila o Clay?
Mila.
Canada, Korea?
Korea.
Ang advantage kung hindi magkarelasyon is that the thrill would always be there, yung excitement and the fantasy will always be there kung magiging kami ba or hindi, diba? It will always be there. So, hindi mamamatay yung chemistry. Kasi parang, di ba, pag binigay mo na, pag naging kayo na, wala nang thrill, wala nang, di ba, parang there's a chance na mabawasan yung kilig kasi mababawasan yung thrill na, ay, wala, okay na sila na eh, ganyan, di ba?